Hello everyone, I hope you're doing fine. Recently I just came across with a very interesting project called Space Agent, which is the owner of the Space Agent is the Agent Zero project. If you didn't watch that video, after this video I pinned this on the top, and in the description you can watch it. This team are very phenomenal, and these guys are very professional, and that's why I came across with this project, and I think it's going to be an interesting one to come across with. So if you let's just go to the web browser. Here we go. In this page, you can go to this repository in GitHub. It's called Space Agent. In this link, I give you this link in the description. And after that, when you download it, it has a different release. Let's just show you this one. You go down to the assets. You can download for Linux, and download for macOS and for Windows also. So here we go. Let's just see how it works. You can use admin mode or interspace. Both of them have a different UI. If you just go to the interspace, you see that, and you can interact with the agent right here. Or you can go to the admin mode. In admin mode, you can change the files, the modules, anything that you want. You can personalize it this way, right? So I'm just going to downgrade the admin mode, just using the user mode, and I'm going to set an LLM API key. Just click on here, and I want to use Natron from the Nvidia. All right, so I'm going to use that as a base URL. There we go. Change the name of the model to this, and we're gonna add an API key. So generate the API key. Here we go. It gives us this one also. Add this API key, and so I'm just gonna use it as default. I'm gonna save setting, and let's just interact with it. See if it's working. If it does not work, like in here right now, we can use, I don't know, we can use OpenRouter. As you already know, I'm in Iran because a lot of networking issues in Iran is preventing us to use all of these projects for ourselves. So let's just gonna clear chat. Let's say hi again. I think maybe it's working right now. If it's not, you can't even move it. That's cool. So forbidden. Maybe I'm going to change the location if it might work, but just for now, I'm just going to use free models in OpenRouter. But maybe you are in different countries, maybe in America, maybe you are in Europe. For you, all of this is going to be accessible. So don't worry about it. For me, because I'm in Iran, it's not going to be accessible right away. But for you, it's going to be easier. So don't worry about it. All right. I'm going to use OpenRouter. Go to the workspace, find the free models. So next AGI into pre-free. I don't know about this one. Maybe it's good to work with. Natron 2.5. Which one was? Yeah, that's one was normal 3 Ultra. But this one is content free, so it's not going to be usable for now. 10 billion token parameters, 486 billion. So we're going to use this one. Yeah. I'm going to namespace. I'm going to model settings, and we're going to change the name model. We're going to change all the free information. Yeah. It's going to space. Okay, we're going to need a let's go to free models. I'm trying to find the base URL. but I don't know where it was. So let's just find OpenRouter, filter it, and yeah, let's gonna use this one. Go to details. Well, as you can see, my internet connection has been cut off. Yeah, so that's a bummer. These things happening for a lot when you're in Iran. That's disappointment. All right, so I'm going to connect to another internet source. I'm gonna hotspot it to my iPhone. Hopefully this is going to work. Yeah, here we go. See, it's connecting now. Yeah. So let's just cancel this. So maybe with the different internet source and with VPN, I can connect to the Natron in Nvidia. Hopefully, yeah, that's didn't happen. And the VPN just cut off. Just use automatic. Okay. Right now I changed my VPN to another to Siphon, and I still couldn't access to Nvidia. So I trying to use OpenRouter. I'm gonna save settings and let's try it again. Hopefully right now it's gonna work. Oh my god. It's not good. Not good. So the good thing is you can even download local models in here. So it give you some specimen like in Gemma 4. Gemma 4 is one of the best ones actually for now. And you can download and load and it's going to use it. So maybe it's going to, let's see how much weight it would be. Till then, I'm going to find a way to connect to some API models that hopefully would work. Okay, let's use Llama because I just tried Nvidia, I just tried OpenRouter. Even OpenRouter didn't work. OpenRouter used to work perfectly when I was in Iran. But I am. But still, let's just add this API key. Let's just grab the other API Llama base URL from here and get GPT OSS from cloud to here, save settings, and hopefully right now it's going to work. Maybe. Oh, come on. Unexpected. Let's just close it and run it again. Okay, interspace. Yeah, it's already get saved. Let's just detector is not valid JSON. What? Oh my god. Let's just change location again. Maybe this won't work. Now you guys see what things we'll be dealing with every day. See, this is not a project, open source project that is based from Siphon, and it took me a lot of configuration and maybe some aquarium IP that I've been searching and seen that it's working, and now, my God, took too long, taking too long. So let's just use without VPN and go to OpenRouter. See, yeah, maybe without VPN the OpenRouter might work. Let's just go to the base model of OpenRouter. Change the name of the models. Yeah, here we go. And the API key. Save. Oh, come on, man. So yeah, it's not working. It's not working. So what I'm about to do, I'm just going to maybe some reaction from the official video of the Space Agent. Let's just bring up the quality. if the book quality would be brought up, so it would be better. But the connection is bad. I still need VPN. Yeah. Let's just try this one. Okay. Okay, now you see in a space agent, it has different spaces, right? In the spaces that it has, you can go to the web pages, you can create some part of workspace for yourself. Like if you wanted to check cryptocurrencies and all of the related news, it can do that. So that's part of it. So in this video, it's just going to create space, and this one is all in this video. It already shows you, it gives it LLM API. You already set it up. And one of the things that is talk about, that is this space, it is running in the front end of your browser. So it doesn't have any back end of it. It has all of it in front, so it's more secure. None of your data would be sent to other parties, and you can already see that if you just go into the inspection and you see all of the project would be there. So right now you see it going to the crypto dashboard. By default, it already has some charts, the prices of the coins and the news, and if it already has a daily news also, if you wanted to just follow other news, or you can even create your own game. It has a space by default. You can create games and just for yourself, and for some it already have access to the YouTube also. You can create your own playlist of the videos, and you can use it as a learning session. So if you want to see a lot of videos for your YouTube, it can access to that also. And AI agent and the AI LLM inside of it, it can access to the data inside of the workspace. So that's pretty cool of it, right? So even it does have editing for your letters. If you want to write a letter or if you want to write a document, it can do that. And as you can see in this video, it has some access to it. So you can even give it access and tell it to create a new space and what this space have feature like, or create a widget inside of it. So right now it's creating a widget inside of the new space. In here, just call it create an analog clock. As you can see, it's creating it, and it have a capability of writing codes also. Then it gives it access to create another analog clocks that has different time zones, like Tokyo, New York, London, Rome. So yeah, it can do that also. So, and you can give it a feature to the widget, like in here, give it to remove the background, and as you can see, it removed the background. And if you want to go to the logs of your chats and all of the tasks that has been done, you can see your history chats as a log. So everything that you talked about and every task that AI has been done based on your request, you can see it in a log. So it has, and you can do that, and you can use it for troubleshooting or anything else like that. Okay, now as you can see, even it has a capability to open a web browser. So it has a built-in web browser also, and you can search and go to any website, and it can even done any task online. So you can give it do a task online, maybe a lot of tasks that may take a lot of time, and you can give it to do it also. So even it has access to this kind of capabilities also. Okay, so even as I saw it in documentary of the GitHub, even it can create some automation agent also. You can inside of it, you can create other agents that do automated tasks. So as you can check it out, it has very powerful features. So I encourage you to check it out and go to this project and give it a go. So even right now, even in Iran, I can't really use it because of some connectivity that I have. But for you, you have no excuse. You gotta use it, right? So hopefully this video give you some value, and hopefully see you guys in the next video. All right, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.